Hi everyone, and welcome to the channel Without a Wire, where we explore everything a smart home can throw at you. Today we are back at my friend Etienne's place, and we are finally going to install the gate controller and show you how it works and how it integrates into your smart home and your home assistants. So let's install this and take a look. So as you can see, we pre-installed the gate controller into the weatherproof box with all the wires coming out already. So we are just going to install it from the power box to the motor. The receiver and the transponder and the receiver shows the sensor whether the gate is closed or opened, and we've done all the wiring so everything fits, and the gate safety harness can also fit without damaging the cables. So let's see how it works. So we go to your Smart Life app. You can see it shows closed, and if you hit the switch button, it will open and it will show the app is opening. And the same if the gate is closing again. Let's just give it a second. So it takes a few good seconds for the sensor to pick up that the gate is closed, so just be patient with the app and make sure that the gate shows closed afterwards. This could also be affected by the distance from the gate controller to your Wi-Fi router and the signal strength, so it might take a while for the communications to pass through to your network through the cloud and back to your app to get the correct readings on whether the gate is opened or closed. Okay, so now that we've linked up the Smart Life app with the Alexa controller or home assistant, we are going to test it out. For the purposes of this exercise, we never renamed the device, so it's still called Garage Door, but you can rename the device to whatever you need it to be. Let's test it out. We have a Echo Dot second generation running off a power bank, just to illustrate the working through a Alexa device. The issue here is that this is still a switch, so the command would read switch on or switch off. If you would want to use a command like open the garage door, open the security gate or anything like that, you might want to create a routine for that, just to correct the speech. But for the purposes of this exercise, we'll use the correct terminology for the Alexa to work. So let's see. Alexa, switch on garage door. Alexa, switch off garage door. And there you have it.
Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a like and remember to hit that subscribe button and also ding that bell icon if you want to get notifications for future content. Thank you and see you in the next video.